Hello, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for philosophy, week of 2-8. So, what will we be learning this week? So last week we watched, on our last day, we watched the last half an hour of The Matrix. And in watching The Matrix, we sort of realized what the beginning of the chapter said. There is a sense in that movie that there is a reality beyond the appearance of reality. And that there are things that one would consider in that movie more real than the reality that many people who are plugged into the Matrix can experience and what they can see, touch. And so today what we're going to look at is how early Greek philosophy, the nature of metaphysics, how there were some people in ancient Greek that thought what was most real was what you could see, touch, and you can have a common sense explanation through doing empiricism, looking at things, studying them, and then thinking about them. And there's others that say, no, that empiricist way of seeing and touching and observing, there is something that is more real than that. And they have an immaterialist view of reality, or things that they believe are most real are not things that you can see and touch. And there'll be a variety of different views there. So then on Wednesday, Thursday, we're going to look at two things. Based off our reading of Chapter 4 and the materialist and immaterialist view of reality, we're going to see how the Matrix really is based off Plato's analogy of the cave. They are very similar, so I'll share that with you. And then we'll also sort of apply what we are looking at to a French philosopher, Guy Debord's Society of the Spectacle, where he claims that we are plugged into something that distorts our understanding of reality, and he calls that the Society of the Spectacle. And so we'll sort of draw an analogy between what we saw in the Matrix, between Plato, and then how Guy Debord sees that today. You have questions for Chapter 4 on the nature of reality. So they were assigned today, and they're due either tomorrow or Thursday. They're due right before, class. So that's all you have for assignments this week, since it's a short week. So look forward to seeing you, and have a great week.